So everyone keeps saying learn artificial intelligence, learn cybersecurity, and learn data science. But no one really tells you from where you should start. You watch one YouTube video and then move to another and another. A few weeks later, you have learned plenty of theory, but when it's the time to build a project or face an interview, you don't know where to begin. That's exactly why we have created Sky States. So, who is Sky States? Sky State is a US-based EdTech platform dedicated to helping students and professionals build practical job-ready skills in cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and data science. Our goal isn't just to teach concepts, it's to help you apply them through live instructor-led sessions, hands-on practices, real-world case studies, and mentorship from industry professionals. Because here's the truth. Learning technology shouldn't stop at theory. Companies don't want people who have watched tutorials or collected certificates. They want people who can solve problems, build real projects, and confidently apply their knowledge. That's exactly what we focus on at Sky States. Whether you are a student, beginner, or a working professional looking to upskill, our programs are designed to help you build confidence, develop skills that are relevant in today's tech industry. At Sky States, we believe education should prepare you for real opportunities, not just certificates. So, if you are serious about building a career in tech, take the first step today. Visit skystate.us, follow Sky States on YouTube for practical learning, guidance, and project based content. Connect with us on Instagram for daily tech tips and updates, and follow us on LinkedIn to stay connected with our community and industry insights. Sky State is where learning becomes experience and experience becomes opportunity. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.